K5, it's time for our board work. We're going to start today with numbers, and we're going to start with our 9 addition family. All right, we're learning that this week. We practiced it yesterday. We're going to practice it more today. Now, in the 9 addition family, everything equals what? 9. All right, you guys ready to practice with me? 0 plus 9 equals 9. 9 plus 0 equals 9. 1 plus 8 equals 9. 8 plus 1 equals 9. 2 plus 7 equals 9. 7 plus 2 equals 9. 3 plus 6 equals 9. 6 plus 3 equals 9. 4 plus 5 equals 9. 5 plus 4 equals 9. Again, 0 plus 9 equals 9. 9 plus 0 equals 9. 1 plus 8 equals 9. 8 plus 1 equals 9. 2 plus 7 equals 9. 7 plus 2 equals 9. 3 plus 6 equals 9. 6 plus 3 equals 9. 4 plus 5 equals 9. 5 plus 4 equals 9. All right, one more time. You are saying it with me, aren't you? I hope so, because this is how we learn. Ready? 0 plus 9 equals 9. 9 plus 0 equals 9. 1 plus 8 equals 9. 8 plus 1 equals 9. 2 plus 7 equals 9. 7 plus 2 equals 9. 3 plus 6 equals 9. 6 plus 3 equals 9. 4 plus 5 equals 9. 5 plus 4 equals 9. All right, good job, boys and girls. Keep practicing that at home. All right, we're going to count by twos. Are you ready? 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, 22, 24, 26, 28, 30, 32, 34, 36, 38, 40, 42, 44, 46, 48, 50, 52, 54, 56, 58, 60, 62, 64, 66, 68, 70, 72, 74, 76, 78, 80, 82, 84, 86, 88, 90, 92, 94, 96, 98, 100. All right, how are you guys doing with counting with twos? I hope you're really getting good at it now. Now we are going to sing our Days of the Week song. Are you ready? Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, and then we start again. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, and then we start again. All right, good job, boys and girls. We are also going to count our ordinal numbers today, boys and girls. I like to do that every few days so you don't forget. You guys ready? First, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, 7th, 8th, 9th, and 10th. All right, let's do that one more time. I'm going to use the pointer because I was having to really stretch. You guys ready? First, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, 7th, 8th, 9th, 10th. Very good, boys and girls. Now let's do our bumblebees. Our 5 little bumblebees. All right. Ready? 5 little bumblebees buzzing through the air. One flew off and then there were 4. 4 little bumblebees buzzing through the air. One flew off and then there were 3. 3 little bumblebees buzzing through the air. One flew off and then there were 2. 2 little bumblebees buzzing through the air. One flew off and then there was 1. 1 little bumblebee buzzing through the air. The one flew off and then there were 0. Very good, boys and girls. Now, I have got 3 subtraction problems on the board. Do you remember what we say when we see that? Minus. Remember, that's a subtraction sign. It means minus. It means to take it away. All right, we're going to do these together. All right, with the bumblebees. I thought that would be fun. All right, look at this one. Let's read this together. 3 minus 1 equals blank. Now let's do that with the bumblebees, okay? So 3 bumblebees minus 1 bumblebee equals how many bumblebees? 2. Okay, let's say that together. 3 minus 1 equals 2. Very good. Now look at this one, boys and girls. Read this one with me. 1 minus 1 equals blank. Okay, let's see what that equals. All right, so we've got 1 bumblebee. Ready? 1 bumblebee minus 1 bumblebee equals how many bumblebees? 0. Okay, so let's read that together. Are you ready? 1 minus 1 equals 0. Very good. All right, now let's do these ones. All right, read this with me. 4 minus 1 equals blank. All right, so if we have 4 bumblebees, okay, 4 bumblebees minus 1 bumblebee equals how many bumblebees? 3, that's right. So let's read this. 4 minus 1 equals 3. Boys and girls, I want you to notice something. Anytime we subtract 1, the answer is the before number. Look, what's the before number of 3? 2. So what's the answer? 2. 3 minus 1 equals 2. So 3 minus 1 equals the before number. How about 1? What's the before number 1? 0. So 1 minus 1 equals 0. Now, think about this. What's the before number of 4? 3. So look at that. 4 minus 1 equals the before number 3. All right, good job, boys and girls. Now we are going to go ahead and move on to our special sounds. We're going to practice them. Okay, you guys, we do this every day, don't we? Because this is really a big thing that we're learning. You can read so many more things when you know your special sounds. When you know your short vowels and your long vowels, you can read all those words. But when you learn the special sounds, there are so many words you could read. Now, let's do our yellow cards. Ready? K in duck, C, K. E in me, E. O in go, O. I in fly, Y. A in pray, A, Y. St in stop, S, T. Pull in plane, P, L. Fur in frog, F, R. Tur in train, T, R. Sh in ship, S-H. Th in thick, T-H. The in this, T-H. Bull in block, B-L. Cull in clock, C-L. Full in flake, F-L. Gull in glue, G-L. Now our blue cards. Burr and bride, B-R. Dur and drum, D-R. Purr and pray, P-R. Gur and grin, G-R. Sm and smoke, S-M. Sk and scat, S-C. Sk and skate, S-K. Sp and spade, S-P. Cur and crab, C-R. Tw and twins, T-W. Spull and splash, S-P-L. Spull and splash, S-P-L. Spur and sprain, S-P-R. Spur and sprain, S-P-R. Scur and scream, S-C-R. Scur and scream, S-C-R. Squ and squeak, S-Q-U. Squ and squeak, S-Q-U. Sn and snack, S-N. Sl and sleep, S-L. Stir and stream, S-T-R. Stir and stream, S-T-R. Sw and swim, S-W. Now we're going to do our orange cards. Ready? Thir and three, T-H-R. Thir and three, T-H-R. R and stars, A-R. Ch in church, C-H. Or in morning, O-R. Ow in out, O-U. Ow in owl, O-W. O in bowl, O-W. In verse, E-R. In nurse, U-R. In bird, I-R. Oi in coin, O-I. Oi in boy, O-Y. In book, O-O. Oo in tooth, O-O. All right, let's do those ones again. Thir and three, T-H-R. Thir and three, T-H-R. R in stars, A-R. Ch in church, C-H. Or in morning, O-R. Ow in out, O-U. Ow in owl, O-W. O in bowl, O-W. In verse, E-R. In nurse, U-R. In bird, I-R. Oi in coin, O-I. Oi in boy, O-Y. In book, O-O. Oo in tooth, O-O. All right, good job, boys and girls. Now we're going to do some flashcards with some special sounds on them. Not very many, just a few. All right, you guys ready? sleek, drip, scoff. Scoff, have you ever heard that word before? It basically means like to not believe something. Speak. Gloom. Ooh and tooth. Ooh. Gloom. Gloom. And bird. Firm. Twist. Okay. Very good. Now, boys and girls, today you've got two new things that you're going to do. All right. One of them is on your phonics paper, and we're going to do that on the board in just a moment. But before we do that, I'm going to show you how to make an uppercase cursive H. That's your other new thing that you're doing today, is an uppercase cursive H. All right. So when you make an uppercase cursive H, boys and girls, you begin at the ceiling. All right. And you go down and loop around to make a teardrop. Go back up to the ceiling. Then you go down to the pink carpet and pick up your pencil. Then you begin at the ceiling again, boys and girls. You go down to the pink carpet. You retrace back up. And then you go up towards the dotted line and loop around and put on the tail. Okay? Let me go through that again. It's two different things that you do. First you do the first part, then you do the second part. Start at the ceiling, go down towards the dotted line, loop around to make a teardrop. Then go around and down to the pink carpet. Pick up your pencil, go to the ceiling, go all the way down to the pink carpet, retrace back up, then loop around towards the dotted line, around, and put on the tail. Okay, that's how we make an uppercase H. Now, boys and girls, the other new thing that we're going to do, I'm going to move my stool so you can see the board. This is on your phonics paper, so you'll be doing some of these by yourself on your paper today. All right, now I have a sentence written here, part of a sentence, okay? Now, read this word. Bob. Now read this word. Rode. Bob rode, and then we have to finish the sentence. Bob rode something. Now we have three words here. We're going to read those words, then we're going to put them in order so that they make sense. Okay? Now, read this word right here. Bike. Bike. Do any of you have a bike? Bike. What's this sight word? The. And read this word. On. So we've got Bob rode, and then we have three words that we have to put in the order. Bike, the, on. Would you think about that a minute and see if you could think what order they go in that makes sense? Okay. Bob rode on the bike. Does that make sense? It does, doesn't it? So now you're going to write it on the line when you do your paper. I'm going to write it on the chalkboard right now. So Bob rode on girls, I want to read that to see if it really makes sense, to make sure that I didn't make a mistake. All right, so we'll read it. Bob rode on the bike. That does make sense, doesn't it? All right. Now, we've got another one here. All right, let's read these words. Read this word. Mom, and this word. Got. So mom got, and then we have to complete the sentence. Now we've got 3 words down here. Let's read them. Read this word. Okay, you almost can't see all of that, can you? Here we go. Can you read this word? Hug. Hug. Okay, read this word. Big. Big. And what's this sight word? A. All right, so we have to put these 3 words up here in order so that they make sense. Okay, now, what if I said, Mom got hug big Does that make sense? No. What if I said, Mom got big hug Does that make sense? No. What if I said, Mom got a big hug? Does that make sense? Yes, it does, doesn't it? So we know that makes sense. That's how we're going to write it. All right, so Mom got a big hug. Now, what if I made a mistake? I need to check it to make sure I didn't make a mistake. Okay, so I'm going to read it and check it to make sure I did not make a mistake. Mom got a big hug. That makes sense, doesn't it? Okay, that is a sentence, so we did it right, guys. All right, you're going to be doing this on your worksheet today. So you need to think, when you read the words, what way do they make sense? Then write them down that way and then read it again to make sure you didn't make a mistake. All right? I know you guys can do this because you are so smart. I know you can do it. So if you need help, ask your homework helper, but try to do it on your own if you can. Okay? All right, you guys have a great day and a great weekend. Okay? Bye.